So next is the surface area of a sphere. A sphere is a set of all points in space that are at a fixed distance from a given point. The fixed distance is called the radius and the given point is called the center of the sphere. So from the radius to, okay, and around this sphere, that is what we call, from the center to the around of the sphere, that is what we call the radius of the sphere. So in getting the surface area of a sphere very easy, surface area is equal to 4 times r square. This is only the formula in getting the surface area of a sphere. The question is, the diameter of a sphere is 10 centimeter. What is the surface area? Since the surface area we use radius, then just get the radius of this by dividing the diameter into 2. So the radius would be 5 centimeter. Let's solve this one. So for the next one is surface area of a sphere. So the formula for surface area of a sphere, there is only one, which is 4 times pi times r square. So for example, given the diameter which is 10 centimeter, find the surface area of the sphere. So first is, since this is diameter, then we'll get the value of radius or r. So just divide 10 into 2, then the radius would be 10 or 5 centimeter. Then we can proceed in our computation. So 4 times pi times r square. So 4 times 3.14, which is the value of pi, and for the r square, value of r, which is 5. 5 cm square. So multiply 4 times 3.14, the answer is times 5 centimeter square. So just get the value of 5 centimeters square, which is 25 centimeter square or square centimeter. Then multiply the 3, 4 times 3.14 times 25 square centimeter. Then the surface area is 314 square centimeter. So just follow the formula. 4 times pi r square. If the given is diameter, then just divide it into 2 to get the value of r or the radius. So for the next one is surface area of a sphere. So the formula for surface area of a sphere, there is only one, which is 4 times pi times r square. So for example, given the diameter which is 10 centimeter, find the surface area of the sphere. So first is, since this is diameter, then we'll get the value of radius or r. So just divide 10 into 2, then the radius would be 10 or 5 centimeter. Then we can proceed in our computation. So 4 4 times pi times r square. So 4 times 3.14, which is the value of pi, and for the r square, value of r, which is 5. 5 cm square. So multiply 4 times 3.14, the answer is times 5 centimeter square. So just get the value of 5 centimeters square, which is 25 centimeter square, or square centimeter. Then multiply the 3, 4 times 3.14 times 25 square centimeter. Then the surface area is 314 square centimeter. So just follow the formula. 4 times pi r square. If the given is diameter, then just divide it into 2 to get the value of r, or the radius. So the next is cone. The surface area of a cone with a radius r is equal to the sum of the areas of the circular base and the area of the lateral curved surface of a cone. So for the area of the base, we use the formula of area of a circle, which is pi r square, and for the area of the curved surface, we use pi times r times slant side. So that is the area. When you combine these two areas, then that is the surface area of a cone. So this one is an example of cone. This is the lateral area or the curve area, and the circle below is the base. Okay, circular base. So if you will make net of a cone, then this one be the outcome. So if the radius of the circular base is r and the slant height of the cone is s, then the face area or the surface area of a cone is given by the formula pi times r square plus pi times r times s. So the problem is a cone has a radius of 3 cm and height of 4 cm. Find the total surface area. As you notice, the slant height is not given, so we will compute for the slant height using the Pythagorean theorem. So okay, imagine that the slant height is not given, so to use the Pythagorean theorem, height, then the radius would be the base, then the missing one is this leg or the slant height. So we can use the formula for the Pythagorean, which is the longest side, okay, square the longest side is equal to the square of the short end, okay, is equal to the square of the two sides. So let's solve this one. So for the surface area of a cone, the formula is pi r square, that is for the area of the base, and pi times r times a s, or slant, for the area of this one, the lateral, okay, lateral face of a cone. So since the slant, okay, height is not given, so we will find first the value of slant height. So the radius is 3 and the given height is 4, so we will find this one. So as you can see, it forms a right triangle. So when in a right triangle, when one side is missing, then we can use the Pythagorean theorem, wherein the longest side is equal to the square of the sum of the first, okay, and the second side, or the two smaller sides. So given this one, this is the height and r. So this is the longest side, the slant height. So we can say that s square is equal to h square plus r square. So what is the value of height? 4. Value of r is 3 square. So 4 square, that is 16. 3 square, 9. So s square. So when you add, the answer is 25. S square is equal to 25. Then get the square root of 25. So s is equal to 5. The slant height of the cone is 5. Now we can proceed in computing for the surface area. So first is pi times r square, which is 3 cm square, plus pi times r, value of r is 3, times the value of s, which is 5. Okay, 3 centimeter square, that is 9 centimeter square pi. Next one is, or we can just write multiplication sign here. Next is 3 times 5, that is 15 square centimeter times pi. So since we're done with getting the square or multiplying the digits, then we can proceed. Okay. So pi times 9 centimeter square plus pi times 15 centimeter square. So let's solve this one. So since we're done with the digits, then it's time to multiply pi to 9. So 3.14 times 9, the answer is 28.26 centimeter square. Pi times 15, 3.14 times 15, the answer is 47.1 square centimeter. So cm square or square centimeter, that is just the same. So add 28.26 plus 47.1, the sum is 75.36 square centimeter. So the surface area of a cone with a radius of 3 centimeter, height of 4 centimeter, and a slant height of 5 centimeter is 75.36 square centimeter.